Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Add another lane. No, they should. Thank God they're adding another lane. I'm like, Monica, no, they shouldn't be adding another lane. Well, then we need. Oh my God! Holy shit! My brakes! I fixed those brakes!
You stupid car. You, hey, call 911. You. Stop. Yeah, you stupid. You. You don't do that stuff, you stupid. You.
Dude. Fucking idiot.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, lady.
Oh, I'm almost in Lombard. Oh my.
Are we going to Longhorn?
I don't. You tell me.
Well, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Dude.
That car just totally ran a red light. Good thing you didn't go.
Look at that.
What was it? What was it?
It's a wheel.
Oh, what?
Somebody lost a wheel.
So you better. But I mean, how are they going without the wheel?
It wasn't attached to anything.
Yep. Ask them if they just lost their wheel.
That's him. That's the wheel.
Okay, do we need to really say how your wheel went down in the ditch? Where's your
Anytime on the Sirius XM app. Tired of that outdated bath or shower, but dread the cost and hassle of a legacy remodel? Let Jacuzzi Bath remodel with the perfect bath model you can afford.
I stand up, back on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking pots and ducking them out and hanging up cars like hold up. I missed that line.
Idiots, man.
What the?
All the Democrats be there and be silent and then talk about it after, because you could appear looking disjointed doing all these different things, and this is one of the things the High King Drafties was so worried about, because now you have this, this, I think it was like the week.
Then there's a huge backlash against them.
Yeah, I think you're making an important point.
Yeah,
too,
you don't get to do that
for someone who's a political
lane,
obsessive like me. I think of Trump the candidate, but a lot of people still think of the business.
Can spend or provide for the common defense and general welfare of the United States. So it looks like Congress has the authority to determine what it considers spending for the general welfare of the United States.
Okay, Garmin.
What does that mean?
Save video.
Because every year.
When you keep them like I did, it's called a failed faster.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh shit. Stop.
did I just say? Oh my god.
Yep.
Holy shit. Remind me.
Just a big truck, I'll let.
This guy's a dumbass.
Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm. Yeah, can't none of y'all me back. Yeah, it's like hand G prime. Yo.
Take a slight right onto Brand Avenue.
Jesus Christ.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.